According to top sources, the government is mulling over a special session of Parliament to pass the Goods and Services Tax Bill. In fact, the government is likely to take a decision on calling a special session of Parliament next week. Top sources add that the decision depends on Congress's stand, as the market crisis is seen as an opportunity by the government to push for reforms. Meanwhile, in a bid to build consensus, BJP has also reached out to the Congress. In fact, Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu has met senior Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge to discuss the matter. This meeting between the top leaders lasted for about 20 minutes. In the meet, Mallikarjun Kharge did express his reservation, saying that the government should accept the changes proposed by them to the bill.
What is the agreement between the proposal of the standing committee and government? Unless we see the final bill, we can't comment on that. The GST bill should be passed in both the houses separately. It cannot be called joint session or so.
Everybody knows that when GST was introduced by the Congress government by Dr. Manmohan Singh, it was only Mr. Narendra Modi who prevented the GST from being passed. Now, what has happened in 1.5 to 2 years for them to support the bill? So the Prime Minister must come out and openly tell the nation why is it that he prevented the GST from being passed for almost 2 years.
खास तौर पर जो मुख्य विपक्षी दल हैं, उनको विश्वास में लेने की जरूरत है और बिना सभी दलों को विश्वास में लिए स्पेशल सेशन बुलाने का कोई अर्थ नहीं है। फिर वो भी इसी तरह से समय की बर्बादी होगी। विपक्ष की ओर से कोई संशोधन है तो उसको स्वीकार करते हुए और तब स्पेशल सेशन बुलाएंगे तो मैं समझता हूं कि जीएसटी सर्वसम्मति से पास हो जाएगा।
All right, consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai joins us for more on this. Rajdeep, very good morning to you. Will the government be able to, convene this special session? Is the atmosphere conducive? Have they been able to find some sort of a consensus with the opposition?
Sadly, neither is the atmosphere at the moment conducive, nor has the government taken that extra step of taking the opposition into confidence at this stage. Having said that, there is a section within the Narendra Modi government which believes that the market crisis at the moment is an opportunity to push reforms faster, which is why this section wants the government to, over the next couple of days, take a call on reaching out to the opposition, particularly the Congress party, and seeing whether there is any possibility of passing the GST bill by the middle of September before the Bihar polls are announced, and then Bihar takes over the political agenda. So yes, there is an attempt being made by a section of the government to see if a special session can be called, but the atmosphere clearly is not conducive given the kind of hostilities that we saw between the government and the Congress-led opposition during the monsoon session of Parliament.
Now, backdoor meetings have been happening between the opposition and the government to try and pass the GST bill, which is, of course, a landmark tax reform. But Rajdeep, do you think, the Congress will relent? Because we've seen how they have vociferously, opposed the passage of this bill when it was presented in the Rajya Sabha on the penultimate day of the monsoon session.
There are a couple of amendments, Avantika, which the Congress would like to bring into the GST bill. If the government is willing to reach out to the opposition on those amendments and find a way out through a dialogue, then there is a small window of opportunity available. However, the critical question is whether the two sides are willing to have that dialogue right away, or whether they would rather wait till after the Bihar elections are over and the winter session of Parliament begins. So I think that is the critical question at the moment, whether this will happen before the Bihar elections in the next fortnight, or whether it will be deferred till after the winter session of Parliament.
Okay. Rajdeep, thank you so much for getting us more insight on this.